A surprising ingredient, readily available in most kitchens, has been discovered as a secret weapon for encouraging the growth of tomato plants and maximizing your harvest. This simple addition to your tomato plants will allow you to enjoy a bumper crop of delicious tomatoes all summer long. Now comes the best. This ingredient not only improves plant growth, but also protects them from disease, strengthens the root system, and improves the quality of the fruits. Many gardeners don't even realize how much this simple trick can change the game in the garden. But don't run to the kitchen right away. Wait until the end of the video because we'll reveal exactly how and when to use this ingredient for maximum results. Also, we will share additional tips on how to make your tomatoes juicy, sweet, and without cracks. If you want healthy plants and a bountiful harvest, stay with us and find out how to improve your garden in the simplest way. And now let's find out which ingredient it is. The secret is ground coffee. Yes, you heard right. This everyday ingredient, which many throw away, is actually a real treasure for your tomatoes. But how exactly does coffee help plants? First of all, it is rich in nitrogen, one of the key elements for healthy plant growth. Nitrogen promotes the development of strong stems and lush leaves, which is especially important in the early stages of tomato growth. In addition, coffee improves soil structure, makes it looser, and helps retain moisture. And what's even more interesting, the natural acidity of coffee can repel pests like snails, which often attack tomatoes. How to use ground coffee? There are several ways. Directly into the soil. Simply sprinkle a thin layer around the plants and gently mix into the soil. Composting. Add coffee grounds to the compost to enrich the humus and provide healthier nutrition for the plants. Natural watering. Tea. Steep coffee grounds in water. Let it sit for 24 hours, then use this liquid to water your plants. If you want tomatoes that are healthier, stronger, and produce more fruit, try this trick. Now, share this video with your friends on social media and write in the comments, have you ever used coffee in your garden?